Next Pokemon will be Conkeldurr. He's a fighting type, also codenamed as the muscular Pokemon. And is one strong guy. I've been wanting to draw this character for like a long time now, and now the time has finally come. Not yet! Just give me a few minutes! Alexa, play Block Party by Annoying Orange.
Block Party by Annoying Orange on Amazon Music.
We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right.
Here are the giant boulders that he uses in a fight.
Gonna mine me some wood and some cobblestone and build a dance floor inside my new home. Everyone's invited, even all the moms, cause we're gonna do this block party like it's our job. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right. Once again.
There we go.
Hanging out with the villagers on my private island. We are making it rain cause we're mining for diamonds. We so swag up in here, we're down with everybody. Yeah, this block party's
Conkeldurr.
blowing up like Mount TNT. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right. We build all day and we fight all night. We never ever sleep, we do this block party right.
And finished. That is how you draw Conkeldurr. Alexa, what is marble?
According to Wikipedia, marble is a metamorphic rock composed of recrystallized carbonate minerals, most commonly calcite or dolomite. Marble is typically not foliated, although there are exceptions. In geology, the term marble refers to metamorphosed limestone, but its use in stonemasonry more broadly encompasses unmetamorphosed limestone.
If you want to find out more on how to draw Pokemon like this, be sure to leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and be sure to check out the Pokemon playlist. Stegosaurus, see you later. Stegosaurus, see you later. I love this show.